We are down to finishes now. In the bathroom, the painters are priming all the cabinets and the awesome double door shower is being installed. And in the kitchen, my mix of mid-century and industrial design ideas are really coming together. And me, I'm elbow deep in glue because I'm wallpapering the wet bar ceiling. Or at least I'm trying to.
Okay.
I love wallpaper. I love wallpaper. I love wallpaper. I'm sorry if you smell my armpits.
Oh my gosh, this is gonna look so good. With the Sputnik on top of it right here. We've got the black cabinets, the awesome countertops. It's here! That's for this.
Yes, of course
Can
it
I
is.
see it?
Yes.
I want it this way, kind of more horizontal. It'll be right here.
There's your visual.
That's nice. Oh, I love it. Looks so good. Wow. What a cool geometric pop, right?
Yeah, good find.
Thank you. I gotta get finished on this wallpaper.
All right, good luck.
Week 3 of this renovation has gone really fast. The countertops and the hunter green cabinets in this bathroom are really setting the perfect mid-century mood. And in the kitchen, I am dialing up this modern aesthetic with a bold brass light fixture. Got our pendants going up. Look at this statement piece. It's gonna be so stinking cool. Contemporary, mid-century vibes. It's like the whole point for Leah and Bryce's kitchen. I have one more thing that I wanna add.
Okay.
I know you love this when I do this to you. So this paneling, it's just kind of boring, and I feel like I'm missing like that,
Oomph.
the oomph of the mid-century. You know how I put that slatting in the bar?
Yes, I do recall that.
See the slatting right there?
Yes.
Adds like dimension, but it's totally the mid-century vibes. What if we did that here? I mean, it's
I love
super
that.
quick. So, I mean, that's a couple hours project. It's not expensive. And I feel like, look, it's gonna go awesome with like the linear of the pendant. Yeah,
Yes,
so pretty.
like that.
So, look at the cabinets are in. We gotta put the hardware on. I mean, we're getting so close.
We are.
We are.
We're within a day or two.
Which is insane.
Yeah.
3 days. Well, you got 3 days, so don't be making guesses.
That's awesome. I
Leah
love
and
3
Bryce
days.
see this in 3 days.
Go wild, go wild, go wild. I've been running up, get a little closer.
It's crazy last minute, but with only $100 left in my budget, Miguel is preparing the wood slats for the kitchen. They will cost about $70, which leaves me $30 to work on a very special final project. Let's plant flowers. Let's plant flowers. I've never planted flowers in a bidet, but my gut tells me I do a little bit of soil first. Looks like poop. Oh yeah, this is gonna be so nice. Option number 1 was just throw it away. How sad would that have been? And this is option number 2. Option number 2. Number 2. It's like poop. Look how beautiful that is. Wow, the neighbors are gonna be, those guys up there are gonna be like, oh my gosh, is that a bidet? No way. Look how pretty that is. I'm being for real though. What a pop. Wow, this might be one of my most innovative things I've ever done, if I do say so myself. Drink up, little bidet babies. Oh yeah, that looks real nice. When I started renovating Leah and Bryce's house, I was super pumped to get my hands on this mid-century design. My challenge was to maintain all of the mid-century form that this stunning home already had and blend it with all of the updated features that a modern family needs. I definitely feel like this design was more riskier and more fun as far as color. A lot of people are afraid to kind of go out into that. The fact that Leah and Bryce were like, heck yeah, let's do it. They wanted to keep true to the home, which is the mid-century. I just kind of modernized it a little bit. Today's the day!
We're so
pumped.
excited.
We're pumped.
Y'all look not nervous.
I'm nervous and he's not.
Just super pumped, ready to see it.
Let's look at it. What are y'all the most excited to see?
The kitchen.
Y'all go ahead.
All right.
Go see your new house.
All right.
Oh my God. Oh my God, look at the lights.
It looks awesome.
Oh my God.
Look at it.
I
It is
love the black.
absolutely
Yes. Oh my God.
exactly what we
It's so
wanted.
different.
Oh my God.
When I first started this design, I knew my color choices were limited, but I ended up going with a black cabinet. It's very bold, very clean, very fresh, but it also ties into the mid-century vibes that we are all going for in this house. The walls,
I love them
we
still.
left them.
Thank
At
you.
first, I was like, okay, this is gonna be a doozy to design around. And I thought black would be great with the neutral wood. Enter heavy veining for some movement on the quartz. What do you think about that?
I like it. I love the countertops a lot.
It's definitely more contemporary. Got a ton of cabinet space.
Yeah, look, this actually has a shelf now.
Yeah.
Yes.
And now It's usable.
And
Perfect.
this is where the termites were living.
Oh, great.
Yeah, yeah.
We're not there now.
That was
We
kind
got-
of like our little ant farm.
Yes. Do you notice what stayed?
The wall?
Is that the bidet?
Oh my God.
I kind of like it out there.
Oh
Just
my
a
God.
little homage to
He's
the
gonna keep
past.
that. Oh my God, look up, look up. Oh my
Oh,
God. I
that
love
is totally something
I
you
imagined
did not-
something
yeah.
like that.
I think that's a little bit better than the popcorn ceilings.
Oh my God, that's amazing.
Wallpaper!
I love them.
That was fun and a bold choice. I'm glad you like it because I love it.
Love the light.
The Sputnik. I thought it really tied into the rest of what you already had going on with this house. Cohesive look, that was the goal. Every room is just cohesiveness.
Wonderful.
Yay, I'm
A
glad
big
you like
upgrade
it.
from what we had.
Yes. Speaking of
Yeah.
which, we have to go see the kitchen now.
I'm ready.
All right.
You ready?
Yeah, let's
All right,
take a look.
let's go see it.
Oh my God.
Oh. This is 180 degrees different, and it looks great.
Amazing. It looks like a totally different space.
Yes, because it is. 110%.
Yeah.
It looks so much bigger in here. It looks like we like took out a wall, but we
No,
didn't.
but I didn't touch a single wall.
Yeah.
So it's really not bigger, just feels bigger.
It feels so much bigger.
That's the best payoff for me. Doing what I do, it's my biggest concern in my designs is that we leave all the walls where they go and really appreciate the space for what it is and just kind of reconfigure. And the fact that she thought I took out walls means I did my job right.
There's space for both of us and more.
Man, both of you guys can cook. Did you hear that?
I know.
Both of us
Yeah.
can cook now.
Backsplash is awesome. It's a good mid-century modern vibe.
I like how y'all said you wanted color, but also not
Like
crazy.
too much.
Yeah.
And I like the floors. Very cool.
And you like the slatting on the front, Leah?
Did you see that, Bryce?
No.
Look.
Bryce, what the heck?
Oh.
Isn't
Yeah,
that
I like
pretty?
that a lot.
And we put these on last minute, and
Yeah, it
I
looks
really
great.
love it. I think it solidifies all the linear stuff we've got going on with the backsplash and pendants.
Love the bright lights too. Before it was like a dark, dim place, and now it's alive.
I love the white surrounding it because it makes it just all the light look so bright and big.
Yeah.
It just had a lighting issue in here.
yeah.
It always drove me crazy.
Yeah.
And now we do not have that problem.
And then all this countertop space.
We just like only used half the kitchen before.
Yes.
Yeah, it used to stop, I feel like, right here.
Yeah.
Right? Or
Yes.
something like that. So
And then there was just nothing.
Yeah, we took your old uppers from over there, popped them in over here. Now we have uppers. And then we took your old island and used your island cabinet for the lowers.
You can't even tell. That's crazy.
No, yeah.
Wait, I love it.
Looks awesome. Thank you so much.